Hi there. Let's talk about Colorance Cover Plus, our ammonia-free, shine-infusing, demi-permanent cream hair color that perfectly colors and repairs in just one step, with added gray blending up to 75%. Colorance Cover Plus provides a natural blending of gray hair without ever looking artificial. It creates luminous shine with 11 NN and illuminated fashion shades, plus 3 low-light shades. Your beautiful color results will last up to 40 washes. Why is Colorance Cover Plus so caring? Well, we all know. The healthier the hair, the more beautiful and shiny the color result will be. The basis for this is balanced lipid levels inside the hair. The pH-balanced Colorance formula with integrated intralipid technology effectively repairs the hair structure by regenerating up to 70% lost lipids. This intralipid technology is a special lipid patented by Cal. Colorance Cover Plus is made for precise application with brush and bowl, which is ideal for root retouches. How does it work? 2-in-1 is your mixing ratio. Always use 3% System Developer Lotion. The new System Developer Lotions are designed for Colorance Top Chic and OxyCure Platinum to create intensive, long-lasting color results with outstanding brilliance and shine. It comes with Bond Pro Plus technology for even more care and protection. For Colorance Cover Plus, always use 3% System Developer Lotion. For hair that might be over-processed, carry out a Bond Pro Plus service before the Colorance Cover Plus service. However, never add Bond Pro Plus Protection Serum to the Cover Plus color mask. To boost it and brighten the result, add 1 drop or up to 10% pure pigments to the final color mask. The lighter the level, the more intense the result will be. Create natural blonde looks and give back dimension to over-highlighted hair with low lights in just one step. When mixing Colorance Cover Plus NN shades with Colorance shades, always use 3% System Developer Lotion, 2-to-1, and apply with brush and bowl. And now let's have a look at the service menu. Colorance Cover Plus is perfect for versatile services with special opportunities. You can easily tone and refine or restore a natural look for over-highlighted hair by creating darker reflections with low lights. Create illuminated services with outstanding multi-shine reflections. You can as well boost and brighten for intense and fiery color results. And of course, you can blend the gray. We have great news about Colorance. All Colorance products and System Developer Lotions are climate neutral now. All CO2 emission generated from the raw materials, packaging, and final product is offset via an equivalent support of a CO2 climate protection project. Check out climatepartner.com. Talk about sustainability with your clients as well. For more information about sustainability, please visit us at calsalondivision.com and check out our Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. See you there!